Hello guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel Shaem Tech BD. Magic Write in Canva Docs is your very own AI text generator to help you get out a fast draft. The Magic Write tool asks you to give it a specific prompt, so its inbuilt AI text generator can spit out some writing for you. Today I will discuss how you can use Magic Write tool. I have a request: if you are newer to channel, please subscribe and stay with us. Open a Canva Docs file, click Create a Design, select Doc. Select the plus magic button on the page. Select Magic Write from the list. Add instruction after the existing text. Click Enter. Magic Write lets you write content from a simple text prompt in seconds. What are the limitations of Magic Write? It has a 200-word input limit and around a 500-word output limit. I have a request: if you are newer to channel, please subscribe and stay with us. By watching my tutorial for more tech videos, you can subscribe.